ChatGPT voice chat not working. Fix it now. Let's start with 1. Restart the app. On mobile, swipe it away from recent apps and relaunch. If this doesn't work, then try 2. Update ChatGPT. If voice is still not working, the problem may be an outdated app version. Open your Google Play Store or App Store app on your device. Next, click on the address bar, type ChatGPT, and click on the official app from the results. Make sure you have installed the latest version of the app. If this method doesn't work, then try 3. Check device settings. Go to your phone settings. Scroll down to the bottom and click on Apps. Again, scroll and tap on the ChatGPT app. Here, look for the microphone option and make sure it is turned on. If this method doesn't work, then try 4. Uninstall and reinstall. If none of these steps work, then long press on the app logo. A few options will appear. Click on Remove App. After that, tap on Delete App and then click on Delete to confirm. This will uninstall the ChatGPT app. Next, go to the App Store and reinstall it from the official website. This refreshes all settings and usually fixes hidden issues.
Can you give me the weather update?
Absolutely. The metric system.
And that's it. Follow and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.